Ford teased the SE variant of the EcoSport in a rather filmy manner on its social media accounts. And you would have guessed that the SE variant ditches the tailgate mounted spare wheel. The idea is to generate some buzz with a new variant, as the EcoSport has gotten lost in the swarm of subcompact SUVs that has taken over the Indian car market. The fun fact is that Ford has been manufacturing the SE edition in India for a while now, for overseas market of course. But this is the first time that the company will launch the SE variant in India. To show how stark or not the difference is, we have both the S and the SE variants of the car together. That's right, no spare wheel mounted at the rear on the SE variant of the EcoSport. The redesigned rear section doesn't look bad by any stretch of imagination, but it does take some time getting used to. After all, we have been seeing the EcoSport with a spare wheel mounted on the rear for almost a decade now. Ford says that the decision to launch the EcoSport without the spare wheel mounted on the tailgate was to add to the appeal of the SUV, which is an aging model, no doubt. The company says it also incorporated customer feedback in the design, which was on similar lines. So, at the rear, you have a tailgate mounted number plate holder and a force skid plate on the rear bumper. The tailgate itself is still the same unit as before and opens to one side and not upwards like in most other cars. Another fun fact now. The EcoSport SE does not get any spare wheel. What it does get is tubeless tires, tire pressure monitoring system and a puncture repair kit. And that's what it all needs, because a notification made by MoTR, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, in July 2020 says that any passenger vehicle with a seating capacity of 9 passengers is exempted from providing a spare wheel if it has all these 3 things. As for features, the new Ford EcoSport SE gets a sunroof, automatic HID headlights with LED DRLs, 6 airbags, a 9-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and Ford's Sync 3 infotainment system too. The difference between the S and the SE trims of EcoSport is that the SE variants miss out on leather seats, blacked out contrast roof, and the Ford Mikey, which is part of the standard equipment on the S trim. Rest, all other features stay the same as the S variant. The 2021 EcoSport SE continues to be offered with either a 1.5 litre petrol or a 1.5 litre diesel engine. Like before, Ford offers a 5-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic on the petrol variants and just a 5-speed manual on the diesel variants. There are hardly any changes to the way the EcoSport drives, and today we are driving the top spec variant with the petrol engine and a 5-speed manual gearbox. The engine continues to be a peppy, fun unit which can handle a bit of spirited driving. There's enough grunt in the bottom end picking up from low speeds, and the mid-range has that punch as well. The EcoSport continues to be a sweet handling car with decent feedback from the steering. The ride quality is quite supple too. And despite its age, the EcoSport continues to be a good option for small families and does well in the city and on highways. The SE variant will slot in between the titanium and the top spec S variants, whose prices range from 9,79,000 rupees for the petrol manual trim and go up to 11,49,000 rupees for the diesel manual S variant. Having spent some time with the new EcoSport, one can say that the spare wheel at the rear offered that butch SUV look and has always set the EcoSport apart from the rest of the pack. Take that away and you take the identity away of the car. And a spare wheel too. And while the look of the EcoSport without the spare wheel may grow on you, we still prefer the old school look.